Today I am going to tell you how to make modak or korkatai without using rice flour. It is a season of Ganesh Chaturthi and many of our viewers have requested for putting videos on making modaks without using rice flour. So today I am going to tell you the measurements and what are the other ingredients we can use for making modaks without using rice flour. Listen till the end of the video. If you have any other doubts, you can post it in the comment section. We make sure we answer to all your questions. The first one is a wheat flour modak. Supposing we have to make about 15 modaks using wheat flour, then this is the right container. This contains about this can hold about 200 grams of wheat flour, freshly ground. Supposing we have to make 15 modaks without using rice flour, then the measurement is this glass. That is, this can hold about 200 grams of wheat flour. For this, you can keep 1 glass of water ready and 1 teaspoon of ghee and a pinch of salt. We use this for making the outer covering of the modak. In this video, we are not covering the puran part, that is how to make the filling for the modak. The second option for making the outer covering of the modak is the all-purpose flour or the maida. For this, again the measurement remains the same. Depending on the quality of the flour you are taking, the water quantity might differ little low or higher, but the same 1:1 teaspoon ghee and a pinch of salt. I hope all these measurements will be very useful for you.